This is a perfect time to show you one of my favorite set of pliers. These suckers right here, Snap-on LN47ACF. Phenomenal pliers, adjustable, very grippy. They're going to get me out of predicament. I was attempting to fill up my diff fluid on the rear here and ran out of diff fluid. This pump is not picking up the leftovers on the bottom of this drum, so now it's time to open up do this one-handed. There we go. Right there. And get that tight ass plug off. Perfect. Love these pliers. They come in handy for pretty much any job out there, especially saving your ass when it comes to needing to finish off your diff fluid. All right, have a good one.